Hey there, Seahawks. It's Miss Adams, and in this video, we're going to go over the addition rule. All right, mutually exclusive. Events can be mutually exclusive if it is not possible for them to occur at the same time. Okay, so if two events cannot happen at the same time, then they're mutually exclusive. And then the probability of A and B happening would be equal to 0. All right, so off to the side, we have aces and kings. Aces and kings are mutually exclusive because you can't pick a card and it be an ace and also be a king. However, hearts and kings in a deck of cards are not mutually exclusive because you do have a king of hearts. So it's possible to have a card that is both a king and a heart. All right, practice number 1. 100 students were surveyed about their preference between dogs and cats. The following 2A table displays the data for the sample of students who responded to this survey. Find the probability that a randomly selected student prefers dogs. So, probability they prefer dogs. I'm going to look at how many total prefer dogs. Okay, so out of the preferred dogs, the total is 56. Out of the grand total, which is 100, which works out to be 56%. In this sample, are the events prefers dogs and prefers cats mutually exclusive? Okay, well, I don't see an option where you can prefer both. I see prefers dogs, prefers cats, no preference, not at both. So if they prefer one, they have to prefer one over the other. So this would be yes, they are mutually exclusive because there's not an option to prefer both. You can't prefer a dog and also prefer a cat. All right. Find the probability that a randomly selected student prefers dogs or prefers cats. So I'm going to look at how many prefer dogs, how many prefer cats, and I'm going to combine those together. So 56 plus 36 and over 100. So I'm going to get 92 over 100, or 92% prefer dogs or cats. Remember, or is that union. So I'm just combining how many preferred dogs with how many preferred cats. In this sample, are the events prefers dogs and female mutually exclusive? Okay, well, you can prefer dogs and you can be a female. So that is a no. There are students in this sample who prefer dogs and are female. Find the probability that a randomly selected student prefers dogs or is a female. All right, so this one's going to be a little bit different. So prefers dogs, I have 56. Female, I have 52, and then I have 20 that prefer dogs and are female. If I have 56 and 52, I'm going to get a number over 100, so that should be an indication that there's something wrong. 56 out of 100 plus 52 out of 100, well, that 20 that prefer dogs and are female, that's getting counted for both of those totals, so I have to subtract it out one time so that it's not doubly counted, and that gives me 88 out of 100, or 88%. All right, what is the addition rule? All right, so the formula for the addition rule is the probability of A or B, remember you can use that union symbol instead of the word or, equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. And for and you can use the intersection. All right, this problem, I have another table. A hospital tracked the day of the week each baby was born and whether or not the delivery was scheduled in advance. The following 2A table displays data for the sample of babies born in a particular year at that hospital. In this sample, are the events Tuesday and Friday mutually exclusive? Okay, so yes, they are mutually exclusive because it's not possible for a baby to be born on two separate days. So the same baby cannot be born on Tuesday and on Friday. All right, find the probability that a randomly selected baby from this sample was born on Tuesday or on Friday. All right, so I'm going to do probability they were born on Tuesday plus the probability they were born on Friday minus the probability they were born on Tuesday and Friday, which I already said that's not possible. Okay, so probability they were born on Tuesday is 90 out of 500. Probability they were born on Friday is 70 out of 500. Probability that they were born on Tuesday and Friday is not possible because they are mutually exclusive. So that would be 0 out of 500. And that gives me 160 out of 500. So that's 32%. So if the events are mutually exclusive, you don't have to worry about that overlapping piece because there won't be one. All right, go Seahawks.